Hello. This is our biochemistry bonus project. Our question is, how is oxidative phosphorylation uncoupled? How can uncoupling reagents cause weight loss? And why are these types of agents the most common treatments for obesity?
Oxidative phosphorylation is the production of ATP through aerobic means.
It couples the exergonic movement of protons down their concentration gradient produced by the ETC
with the exergonic process of ATP synthesis through ATP synthase.
This is a diagram showing the normal procedures of the electron transport chain and ATP synthase in regulated coupling. Electron carriers are oxidized and the protons are pumped out through the complexes of the electron transport chain. These protons are then sent through ATP synthase, where ADP and inorganic phosphate form ATP. Brown adipose tissue has a protein on its inner mitochondrial membrane called UCP1. This protein allows the protons pumped out of the electron transport chain to flow back into the mitochondrial matrix.
This process does not convert its energy into ATP, but instead produces heat. It also does not convert its ADP to ATP through ATP synthase, so the electron transport chain will continue to run as ADP is one of its necessities.
This is a graphic of how UCP1 will affect the electron transport chain and take away protons from ATP synthase.
Ho 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 ho! These protons are all mine! Cope much?
Man, with all of this ADP and PI lying around, I had better keep pumping these protons out, baby!
Where my proton support at?
Uncoupling reagents will continue to use glucose and fatty acid catabolism to run the ETC, but this energy it produced will only ever be released as heat instead of ATP. This excess of ADP will continue the ETC as the body sees itself in a state of constant energy need, which will result in the continued use of biomolecules instead of fat buildup.
These agents operate through unregulated uncoupling, unlike the UCP1 protein of brown fat. This is dangerous to the body, as unregulated uncoupling will affect all cells within the body that house a mitochondrion. This will affect every biochemical processes that utilizes aerobic metabolism and will make it impossible for the body to create ATP when it is necessary. As we all know, ATP is super duper important for us to live.
This is a dramatization of the effects of 2,4-DNP and its unregulated uncoupling on the inner mitochondrial membrane.
Bro, you did not just poke holes in my inner mitochondrial membrane!